Why top 6 vegetables are essential for holistic health. Holistic health emphasizes the importance of the whole person, considering physical, emotional, social, and spiritual well-being. Central to this approach is the role of diet, particularly the inclusion of vegetables, which provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fibers necessary for maintaining overall health. Here are 6 vegetables that are indispensable for a holistic approach to health. 1. Spinach, the nutrient powerhouse. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable renowned for its dense nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, spinach supports various bodily functions. Vitamin A is crucial for vision and immune function, while vitamin C is an antioxidant that boosts the immune system and aids in the repair of tissues. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Spinach is also an excellent source of iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. The high fiber content in spinach promotes digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight, making it a cornerstone of a holistic diet. 2. Broccoli, the cancer-fighting veggie. Broccoli is often celebrated for its cancer-fighting properties, thanks to its high levels of sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Additionally, broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K, as well as folate and fiber. The combination of these nutrients supports the immune system, bone health, and cardiovascular health. Broccoli also contains a significant amount of antioxidants, which help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, further contributing to a holistic approach to health. 3. Carrots, the vision protectors. Carrots are famous for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Beyond eye health, carrots provide antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. They are also rich in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps in maintaining a healthy weight. The sweet, crunchy nature of carrots makes them a versatile addition to any diet, whether consumed raw, cooked, or juiced. 4. Kale, the detoxifying agent. Kale is a leafy green that has gained superfood status due to its impressive nutritional profile. It is loaded with vitamins C and K, as well as calcium and antioxidants. One of the standout features of kale is its high content of glucosinolates, which are compounds that help detoxify the body by supporting liver function. The antioxidants in kale also help reduce inflammation, contributing to the prevention of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. The high fiber content in kale aids in digestion and helps keep the gut healthy. 5. Tomatoes, the heart health champions. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers, particularly prostate cancer. They are also a good source of vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate. The combination of these nutrients supports cardiovascular health, regulates blood pressure, and aids in muscle function. Additionally, the antioxidants in tomatoes help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for overall health. Whether eaten fresh, cooked, or as part of sauces and soups, tomatoes are a versatile vegetable that can enhance the nutritional value of any meal. 6. Sweet potatoes, the energy boosters. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady supply of energy. They are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, supporting vision and immune function. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamins C and B6, manganese, and potassium. The high fiber content in sweet potatoes aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Their natural sweetness and versatility make them a popular ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes.